Are you studying for many hours but still you are not seeing results? You might be making some simple mistake that's secretly killing your productivity. In this video, I will show you 7 common study mistakes that often student makes and how can you fix this to study smarter, not harder. Hi, my name is Farhan Rahman and I have recently finished my higher secondary school. So the first and common mistake is multitasking. Have you ever studied while listening music, chatting with friends, or even scrolling through your phones? Well, that's called multitasking. It might be feel productive, but it's actually killing your focus. When you keep switching within your task and the situation, your brain is not able to fully focus on that specific thing, and your brain will get confused. And it is just like a openings of hundreds of tabs on your computer, which result to slow down your system. Well, to fix this, you have to study in a quiet place and also you have to turn off your phone notifications and you have to keep yourself away from your phone. Even 30 minutes of deep and distraction-free study is more powerful and beneficial than studying 2 hours and multitasking. Well, the second point is no study plan. Some students sit with book and they start learning from anywhere. They have no goals, no checklist, and it is just like a traveling without map. You will walk a lot, but you will be get lost eventually. So before you start your study, you have to write all of your daily goals in a separate notebook or on a whiteboard. For example, like you have to think that what subject I should need to study or which topic I should need to cover today and how much time should I need to give to a specific topic. Then take off each goal when you complete it. This will help you to build a confidence level among yourself and also it will help you to stay on the track. But the third point is no revision. And actually it is one of the biggest mistakes that often we make. Most of the students think that once they learn a specific topic, they will never forget that. But that's actually wrong. You have to keep in mind that our brain forget very fast. And that's actually called forgetting curve. Research showed that after passing 24 hours, you will forget up to 70% of what you have learned before if you don't get revision. The only thing which you have to do is you have to make a revision plan. For example, like if you learn a specific topic, you have to revise it after one day. Then you have to take another revision on the third and after 1 week. Or you have to try to teach that specific topic to your friend. The more you revise, the stronger will be remembered. Number 4 point is highlighting. Highlighting feel good, but it does not mean that you are studying. And also it might be feel like you are studying. If you underline a specific line without understanding, then it might be useless. Some of students even underline full page, but later on when they come back, it might be confusing for them. And I have a tip for you. You have to underline a specific keywords, then you have to write a short note on the specific keywords if possible. After writing a short note on the specific keywords, then you have to close your notebook, then you have to recall and explain it loudly. Well, number 5 point is negative self-feedback. This is a hidden mistake that often students makes and they don't realize that they are doing this mistake. For example, like most of the students might think that I will never understand this topic or others are smarter than me and I forget everything. And that's called actually self-negative feedbacks. And if you keep repeating this mistake, then your brain start believing them. In this situation, your confidence level will be low and the stress level will be increased. I will suggest you have to replace that negative self-feedback to the positive. It will help you to grow a confidence level slowly among yourself. Number 6 point is ignoring important topic. I have seen many of students that mostly they give time to unimportant or easy chapters and also they read same chapters again and again. And believe me, this will not help to you. But in an exam, those chapters may have only 1 or 2 questions, while the rest of the marks will carry on those chapters which they didn't study that. So you have to give a time to important topics and also you have to study important chapters. Then if you have a time, then you also need to cover unimportant topics. Well, the 7 point is ignoring sleep. Most of the students may think that whenever they ignore a sleep, they might have a more time to study, but that's totally wrong. Due to sleep deprivations, our brain is not able to fully concentrate on a specific topic and also our brain is not able to consolidate the memory. Even you will try to learn, but your brain will not able to achieve that specific topics. So the sleep is very important. So you have to sleep at least 6 to 7 hours, especially on exam days. That's for today's video. If you feel this video is informative and valuable, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and I'll catch you in the next video. And also if you want to study like a topper, then don't forget to watch my this video. Thanks for watching.